And we need that in our community because studies show that people who go to black people who go to black doctors live longer. They're diagnosed
Right.
better. They have better health care, better health. And in that case, what could she have done, or how could she have advocated for herself um, to kind of prevent something like this?
Well, I don't know if you can prevent it because the ultimate outcome, there are some things. So, just one thing I just need to say is medicine is not an exact science like everything else. People expect outcomes, but in medicine, it is the practice of medicine. We don't, it's not what it is in you is not the same in me, it's not the same in other panel members. And unless someone can pick it up, um, the studies show that Black women are at least 4 or 5 years out from accurate diagnosis when
Ooh.
it's when they complain of pain. So a
Mm.
lot of times we don't get diagnosed within adequate amount of time for heart attack, strokes, TIAs, and things like that because they diagnose us with mental health issues such as anxiety, depression. Oh, she's just over, oh, she's just stressed out. And so we're not listened to, which is what we were talking about previously
Yeah.
last week. So the delay in diagnosis um, can sometimes end up in death, but it can end up in the right treatments. It also depends on if you know the questions to ask, if you get a second opinion, then you could actually bring a friend along to tell them, look, stop, listen to me. I know my body. This is not normal. I'm off. And you got to have that second opinion.
Second opinion. And
Second
then
opinion has got to be if you know you're not being heard, because I don't know the medical system, we don't have enough physicians. Uh, they have decided to use mid level, which are like nurse practitioners, physician assistants, which they are great, but it's just a different level of education. And so it ultimately falls on the doctor, but a lot of the hospitals are limiting the amount of time a doctor can see a patient and a provider, period, to 10 to 15 minutes. Can you really dig deep in 10 to 15 minutes? And so it becomes a push in a system that has been taken over by the bean counters trying to make money, and they have destroyed our medical system.